Hi, my name is Sam from the Tentworld Archerfield store, and I'm going to be taking you through some tips and tricks in setting up your Instant Up tents. So basically, with your Instant Up tents, they work on a telescopic frame. So with these, it's basically just a matter of extending the pole out until the spring button clicks in as shown here. You just have to be careful though, because on the back side of the inner pole, it's got a flat side, which just stops the pole from spinning around inside there and misaligning the spring button. This also stops it from extending if it is misaligned, stopping you from causing any damage to that button as well. So if you are finding that the pole is sticking, just give it a bit of a twist around until it goes up nice and smooth.